Hi, welcome to Escalante Canyon Arts Festival Plein Air Competition 2024. My name is Jene Stroud. I'm glad you're here. Let's go out and do some painting. Up super early to get out and get first light in Escalante to paint this morning. It's going to be an epic day. I'm glad you're here with me. Cheers. Time to get set up. I'm using a camera tripod with a gator board clipped to the top of it. Using cold press 140-pound Arches paper, a little masking tape around the edges, and we are good to go. Yesterday the sun came up and these mountains were orange, and I want to get here early and get set up so we can catch the light. We had the sun coming up there already. And here's what we're going to be painting. It's really quite breathtaking here. So I'm going to start out with a very basic sketch. It's about 48 degrees. My hands are a little cold, but even if they weren't, I still keep my drawings very simple. I've got a horizon line, I put the mountains in, I'm going to draw some little details, make it interesting, try to have a foreground, a middle ground, and a background to keep the interest. And you can see some of the little features here by keeping it as basic as possible. All right, so the light is just about here. I've got my little sketch done. I'll show you a picture of it, and I'm getting ready to put my first wash down. It's really amazing, the energy in the morning. And Escalante, Utah, the Grand Staircase, it's one of the most stunning places in the world. I'm glad you're here. So now it's time to do the first wash, starting in with a nice blue sky and bringing it down to some warms, using some yellow ochre and then some greens in the foreground, cutting around some of the little houses and things to keep it have a little sparkle. But really, less is more when you're doing the first wash. You want to paint heaven and earth first, then we'll add the things upon it. Here's that first wash. So there's my first wash really, and started putting in some shadows on the mountain. Tricky stuff. I didn't want to overdo it. I want to keep the expanse of this place. It's just, man, your spirit can just soar here. It's so vast and beautiful. So next I'll put some details in. Stick around. I use my favorite dusty green color, which is orange and turquoise mixed together. I'm putting in some foliage, some trees, and some interesting things. Adding the details, bring this to life, cutting in the shadows. It's fun to bring the little houses and things out and give some detail. This is really one of those less is more kind of paintings. This is definitely my happy place. I hope you enjoyed this plein air experience. I'm happy to be part of the Canyon Arts Festival in Escalante this year. They're a great organization. Please support them, check them out. I'm also very honored to be using the Cheap Joe's American Journey paints that I love so much. And they are, again, amazing people. So please check them out and support them too. Anyway, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time. Happy painting.